Hi, I'm going to teach you how to make this no-sew DIY face mask using a t-shirt and paper towel material. Let's go. Let's go over the materials you will need. You'll need a sharp pair of scissors that can cut fabric and a t-shirt made out of cotton blend or 100% cotton material. Don't go for thin sheer shirts. Instead, try to use a thicker t-shirt that's in your size. First, measure an inch from the sleeve seam in both directions and mark it. We will use these points to cut a curved line, like so. The sleeve will be the basis for our mask. Next, take the sleeve and put it over your head so that the longer side sits in front of your face and the shorter side on the back of your head. Make sure that the sleeve band that would normally wrap around your bicep is facing up and sitting on your nose like so. Next, we will cut holes for the ears. Take a marker and draw a vertical line from the bottom to the top of your ear, and then another horizontal line from left to right where your ear begins and ends. Do this for both ears. Then take your mask off and cut the ear holes out, being careful not to cut all the way through the sleeve band. Depending on your facial anatomy, you may need to release some tension around the eye area like I do. Mark the outside of each of your eyes with a marker. Then take the mask off and cut just the sleeve band in those two spots, which will relieve some tension. Next, cut a single line in the back of the mask. Start from the bottom and go up to where the seam in the sleeve begins. Next, take a paper towel and fold it horizontally into threes. The paper towel will act as a disposable filter for an added layer of protection. With your mask on, place the paper towel filter horizontally over your mouth and nose. Then grab the bottom of your mask and flip it up, making a pocket for the filter. The second layer of the t-shirt material may feel a little loose. If it does, you can tighten it by taking the cut pieces in the back of the mask and tying them together to create more tension. And that's it, you're done. Make sure to dispose of your paper towel filter after every single use and dispose of it responsibly by throwing it into the trash. Your masks should be washed every day after you use them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this is useful.